Welcome back to the channel. If you think one penny is worthless, this video might change your mind forever. Because today we're talking about 3 UK 1 penny coins that most people ignore, yet collectors quietly search for them every single day. The 1929, the 1936, and the 1955 1 penny. These are not just old coins. They are silent witnesses of history, scarcity, and mistakes people still make when they spend or clean them without knowing what they hold. Let's start with the 1929 UK 1 penny. This coin comes from a period when Britain was still recovering from the economic shock of World War I. Pennies from this era were heavily used in daily life. Bread, newspapers, transport, everything depended on small change. Because of that, most 1929 pennies were worn down fast. Finding one today with clear details, strong lettering, and original surfaces is not easy. Collectors value this coin not just for its age, but for how few nice examples survived. The Britannia design, seated and calm, reflects stability during uncertain times. When a 1929 penny appears in unusually clean condition, it immediately gets attention, because it proves someone saved it when almost nobody else did. Now move to the 1936 1 penny, a year that carries more importance than most people realize. This was the final year before a major royal change in Britain. Coins from this time were produced during political tension and transition. Many were circulated heavily, and again, preservation was not a priority. What makes the 1936 penny special today is how condition separates ordinary coins from collectible ones. A heavily worn piece may be common, but a sharp, evenly colored example with no harsh cleaning tells a different story. Collectors look closely at the rim, the date, and Britannia's details. Even small differences can change how desirable the coin becomes. This is why 2 pennies from the same year can have completely different value in the market. Finally, let's talk about the 1955 UK 1 penny. At first glance, this one seems too modern to matter. That's the mistake many people make. The 1950s marked the end of an era for Britain's traditional bronze pennies. By this time, people cared less about saving coins and more about spending them. That makes well-preserved examples harder to find than you'd expect. The 1955 penny also stands out because it shows how quality control and metal composition were changing after World War II. Clean, original 1955 pennies with strong color and minimal marks are quietly becoming more desirable, especially among collectors who focus on complete date runs. Here's the truth most people don't hear. Value isn't only about age. It's about survival. It's about condition. And it's about how many people ignored something for decades. The 1929, 1936, and 1955 UK 1 penny coins all share one thing. They were treated as small change, not future collectibles. That's exactly why collectors pay attention to them today. Before you dismiss a 1 penny coin, take a second look. Check the date. Check the surface. Because sometimes history hides in the smallest places. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more videos that help you see coins differently, make sure to subscribe and keep checking your change. You never know what story is sitting right in your hand. As this story continues, it becomes clear why these pennies deserve more attention than they usually get. Most people only focus on coins that look rare at first glance. Shiny metal, strange designs, or extreme age. But the real truth is quieter. Coins like the UK 1 penny from 1929, 1936, and 1955 gained importance not because they were treated as special, but because they were not. They were everyday money. They were handled without care, exchanged without thought, and eventually forgotten. Over decades, that neglect created something collectors now understand very well. Survival in good condition is never guaranteed, especially for coins that lived hard lives. Take the 1936 1 penny as an example. It moved through Britain at a time when people were focused on the future, not on saving small change. Political tension, economic pressure, and coming uncertainty shaped how people lived. Pennies were tools, not keepsakes. That's why most examples today show flat details and dull surfaces. When collectors come across a piece that still shows balance, readable lettering, and natural color, it immediately stands out. Tells a story of restraint, chance, and time. Coins like this were not protected by design. They survived by accident. And in collecting, accidents often create scarcity. The 1955 1 penny continues that pattern in a different way. By the mid-1950s, Britain was changing fast. Society was modernizing. Old habits were being replaced. Saving copper pennies was no longer common. Many were tossed aside, melted, or worn down beyond recognition. Because of that, strong examples are far less common than people expect. Collectors today look closely at strike quality, surface texture, and originality. A 1955 penny that hasn't been cleaned, polished, or damaged carries far more appeal than one that looks bright but artificial. Originality matters more than shine. That's a lesson many people learn too late. What ties all these pennies together is timing. They were minted during moments when people didn't think about the future value of everyday objects. That's why these coins quietly grew into collectibles. Demand didn't explode overnight. It built slowly as collectors noticed patterns. Fewer clean examples, more interest, more competition. That slow shift is how value grows in the real world. Not through hype, but through understanding. The pennies themselves didn't change. People's perception did. So the next time you see a UK 1 penny, don't judge it by size or face value. Look closer, check the date, feel the surface, think about where it came from and what it survived. Because sometimes the smallest coins carry the longest stories. And those stories are exactly what collectors are searching for. The UK 1 penny from 1945 is more than just an old copper coin. It is a true survivor of history. This penny was minted at the very end of World War II, when Britain was exhausted but hopeful. The war had changed everything. Cities were damaged, families were broken, and daily life was still controlled by rationing and shortages. In that world, small change mattered. Pennies were used constantly for food, transport, and basic needs. People did not save them, protect them, or think about their future value. They were spent quickly and often. That heavy use explains why so many 1945 pennies are worn down today. Most show soft details, flattened rims, and tired surfaces. A penny from this year that still holds its shape and character survived conditions that destroyed countless others. Collectors understand that war-era coins must be judged with a different eye. The 1945 penny lived in a harsh environment. Metal quality, production speed, and constant circulation all played a role in how these coins aged. When collectors examine a 1945 penny, they first look at the date, which is often weak or partially worn. A clear date already sets a coin apart. They then study Britannia on the reverse, checking for balance and remaining detail. Original surface color is one of the most important factors. Many people cleaned these coins decades later, believing shine meant improvement. In reality, cleaning erased history. An untouched 1945 penny, even with honest wear, is far more respected because it tells the truth of its journey. What truly separates the 1945 1 penny from others is its emotional weight. This coin circulated during the moment when the world shifted from survival to rebuilding. It passed through hands that had lived through fear, loss, and uncertainty, and then into hands filled with relief and cautious hope. Every penny from this year carries that transition. It represents the end of a global struggle and the beginning of recovery. As time moves forward, objects connected to the end of World War II continue to gain importance, not just to collectors, but to anyone who values history. The 1945 penny is a reminder that even the smallest objects can witness the biggest events. In the end, the value of the 1945 UK 1 penny is not only about condition or scarcity. It is about meaning. It is about survival against odds. These coins were ignored, worn down, and nearly erased by time, yet a few remain as honest pieces of the past. When you hold one, you are holding more than copper. You are holding a moment when the world took its first breath after years of darkness. So the next time you come across an old 1 penny coin, especially one dated 1945, don't rush past it. Look closely. Feel its weight. Think about where it has been. Because sometimes, the smallest coin carries the heaviest story, and that story is exactly what makes it worth remembering.